my client was riding actually on the street, and this taxi driver was going and he's looking for the place and he's trying to find the place, and he totally did not pay attention to the fact that my client's on the next to the curb, and he basically made a right turn and hit her, caused her to flip over onto the other side. Luckily, there was no car going by. She got hit. I've seen them where I just actually settled one where the defendant admitted to me after some deposition and some grilling that, yeah, I went to the stop sign, I looked to see if there was anybody coming from my left, and then before getting there, I looked to my right, I looked to my left, and then I turned. And so I asked him, I said, well, you're turning right, correct? He's like, yes. I said, don't you think it's important for you to check on your right-hand side to see if there's anybody coming before you make a right turn? And he's like, and I asked him, don't you usually do that? He said, yes. I said, why don't you do it there? Because there was an accident. What do you want me to tell you? So he admitted it. But those are usually how those accidents happen, and that's one of the #1 ways I've seen it happen, which is drivers kind of assume that, okay, I've already looked to my right, there was nobody there, and they kind of focus on their left, and they look to that direction for a period of time to make sure it's free and clear to go, and then they just kind of start rolling and going to their right and presume that, okay, I'm just going to roll, and if there's anybody there, when I turn my face, I'll see them. But a lot of times, that's too late. You've already hit a bicyclist or a pedestrian and caused injury. So I would say that's probably why a lot of bicycle accidents happen.